What's up, guys? What's happening? YouTube. Thank you guys for tuning in. It is Saturday morning. I've had way too much coffee, and I got a little bit of time to kill. I got 3,600 emails in my inbox that I'm backed up. Some people like requesting certain types of videos, asking questions, etc., but I'm way too backed up, so I'm going to take a couple hours this morning, try to crank through some of this content. One of the emails I got from my buddy Frankie Knuckles was asking how affiliate marketing works. I'm a huge fan of affiliate marketing. I've been affiliate marketing for probably at least 7 or 8 years, if not longer. It was one of the first things I got started with. And this is probably kind of a more basic question, but if somebody's never done affiliate marketing, very understandable. I think this video will be probably helpful to people who are thinking about starting affiliate programs for their own business, as well as those who actually want to be affiliate marketers. So, like I said, I'm probably going to be cranking out a ton of content here over the next couple of weeks. I've been really busy, gotten kind of backed up on things. Black Friday is right around the corner. Holiday season is here. But I wanted to take some time to start kind of getting through my email box, and I've been kind of slacking on putting out content. So Frankie Knuckles sounds like he should be working for the Gambino crime family as an enforcer as opposed to doing affiliate marketing. But he says, I've been contacted by a couple of companies or people offering affiliate commissions on products they want me to push on one of my blogs. Question is, how would I actually know if a lead from my website actually led to a sale on their website? So great question. So here's how affiliate marketing works if somebody is brand new. A company who sells a product or a service is looking to get other people besides themselves to promote their product or service. So they offer either a flat fee or a percentage. Man, this light's driving me freaking crazy. They offer either a flat fee or like 10% of a sale for other people to promote their products. And then if those other people like you or me or some blogger, YouTuber, person on social media drives traffic that converts to a sale, they wind up paying them that 10%. So what Frankie's asking is like, how do they know that the sale came from me, right? They've got 100 people driving traffic to their website. How do they know that to credit me for my sale, and how do I know that I'm being paid? So there are affiliate networks out there like Share a Sale, Share a Sale, Commission Junction. There's a Hot Pepper or something like that. But there's networks out there where it's not just one person's affiliate program. There's hundreds and even thousands of affiliate programs. What's kind of cool about those, somebody has one login, they log in and they can search for travel affiliate programs and beauty affiliate programs and everything else. More often than not, though, most companies run their own affiliate programs in-house. For anybody who's looking to roll out an affiliate marketing program for their own business, going with the networks is really expensive. I mean, I think Commission Junction wants like close to $20,000 a month last time I looked into them. Share a Sale is like $600 to get set up, but then they also want like 20% of all the sales that their program brings in. I would much rather pay a flat fee to use some type of software and then not have to pay a percentage of everything that it brings in. So most companies are going to run their own affiliate programs. There are some WordPress plugins that can track sales for people, but they're really shitty. Like I haven't really been a fan of affiliate. When I've been an affiliate, I haven't been a fan of working for companies who use WordPress plugins. My favorite one is probably Reversion. Reversion costs about $69 a month if there's somebody looking to use it to run an affiliate program. Great program. You can bulk pay out your affiliates with PayPal. Great tracking. The reason you want to go with a company who uses something like Reversion or Lead Dino, you want an unbiased third-party tracking sales, because smaller companies may be like, hey, I'll create you a PayPal discount code. Like for me, some company who's selling bongs or whatever might be like, hey, Rules for Rebels, man, we'll give you 10% of all the sales that you bring in off of your affiliate link. And I'm like, hey, are you using Reversion? What are you using? No, we'll create you a discount code on Shopify, and it'll give your audience 10% off. We'll be able to track your sales that way, and we'll pay out your 10% off of that. A lot of companies do that. It is fairly common, but you are putting some trust in that company to like accurately report sales to you. They could Photoshop the reports. So I would prefer a company who uses a third-party software like Reversion, like Lead Dino, something along those lines. But when you have something like Reversion, they're going to give you an affiliate link to their homepage that's unique to you. So it might be like jimsbongs.com/ref /02009. And 02009 is my affiliate referral code, or sometimes it might be something like Rules for Rebels. But basically, when a sale comes from that link, Reversion, Lead Dino, whatever the software is, says, okay, Rules for Rebels sent that sale. It equated into a sale. The sale was $100. You owe him 12%. That's $12 off that sale. And so we have an unbiased third-party company who provides reporting to the company, as well as you or me, the affiliate, and everybody knows that everybody's being honest. There are still problems, right? At the end of the month, you are still reliant on that company to actually pay you. So that's why you want to make sure you're dealing with reputable companies. Another problem is, just another thing to look out for. If a company is using Shopify's native checkout, everything should run pretty seamlessly. However, if they're using a third-party checkout, or if they're using an international checkout, a lot of companies will use things like iGlobal or Zonos, which is basically a whole different checkout external from Shopify. And Reversion, Lead Dino, these programs won't track those sales unless the person running that affiliate program actually reaches out to Reversion, and I believe the word they use is webhooks, but basically they have to create some type of code or some type of thing that will also track international sales. So if you're an affiliate for a company who also uses a separate checkout for international companies, make sure that's in place so you're getting fairly paid out for your international sales as well. But that's basically how you know you're getting paid. Make sure the company that you're an affiliate for is a reputable company, is actually going to pay you. Make sure they're not going to be out of business a month from now. And then make sure they're either operating on a platform like Commission Junction, JVZoo, ClickBank, something like that, or using an unbiased third party like a Lead Dino or a Reversion. So yeah, hopefully that helps. If you guys have any other questions about affiliate marketing, go ahead and drop them down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below. If you guys have any topics for videos you'd like to hear about, questions you like answers, things you'd just like for us to discuss, shoot me an email, rulesforrebels@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.